Hey guys, how's it going? Today I wanted to review this wig that I bought from Lizzis Lox. It's actually my first human hair wig and I'm pretty excited because as you can see I've cut all of my hair off because it's just gotten really damaged from all the bleaching that I've been going through, and I wanted to kind of give it a minute to breathe. So I feel like having a wig is going to be the perfect way to do that, especially when I go to work and I have to have my hair like straight and styled, like really sleek and perfect all the time. I feel like that's going to be the best way to protect my natural hair from being like flat ironed and just abused a little bit. So yeah, I'll get into this. So the wig comes in a box like this, and she had taped it all the way closed just so it's not going to pop open or anything. But on the box it says Lizzis Lox hair, and that's how you know where it's coming from. But I have a few notes on my phone just for anyone who's conscious about like the shipping time and stuff like that, because I know maybe if you have an event that's coming up and you want to have the wig like ordered on time, because she actually does color the hair like custom to what you want. I'm not sure if she's still doing that. I think most of her wigs are like a standard color listed on her website. She's done like a sort of like revamp and like rebranding of her whole brand, which is pretty cool. But yeah, she colors all of the like beautiful pastel, like rainbow, like seriously every sort of hair color combination you could imagine on this earth. She like does that herself and it's so awesome. But yeah, it just takes her a bit of time to do that, obviously, once she gets the hair to her. So there is a bit of like processing time with that. When I asked her initially how long it would take, she said about 4 weeks, and she was really spot on with that. So the notes I have here just say that I placed my order for the hair on January 8th, and she sent me a little message saying that she shipped it on February 1st. So that was a Friday, but we live in the same state. We both live in Victoria in Australia, so it wasn't very far at all. I actually got the wig on that Monday, so that was like 3 days from when she said she shipped it, which is really good. The wig I got is 24 inches and it has a density of 150, so I felt like that was kind of going to be in the middle, because I'm quite tall, so I can get away with quite long hair, and I feel that if I don't have like a ton of hair, I feel like it can look a bit like sparse sometimes. I just wanted something that was really like voluminous and luxurious looking, so yeah, that's why I chose that. The wig costed $865. It wasn't on special or anything like that. I know last time when I'd actually ordered some clip-in extensions from her, I got like platinum blonde ones and I colored them myself, but she was having like a 30% off sale of the extensions. I think that was back in, also my invoice here says I ordered those May 2018, and when I got the extensions it was 24 inches, so same as the wig, 24 inches, and the hair extensions were 250 grams, like the weight of them. So yeah, when I bought them I had a 30% off code, so originally those ones are $475, so they were actually down to $340, which is pretty good. Like before, I'd only ever, like living in Australia anyways, I'd only ever used Zala hair extensions, and I know for their 250 grams of like 24-inch extensions, theirs are a bit more expensive. So those ones full price are $440, so that's like $100 difference from like the sort of sale. So I thought it was like really good value, and obviously I still have the extensions and they're still in great condition. Like today is February the 5th or something. No, I think it's, wait, let me check the date on my phone. No, so today is February 8th, Friday. Yeah, so I've had those extensions for, stuff I ordered them in May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February. That's like 9 months and the hair is still quite nice. Like I still wear the same extensions every day at work and stuff, but I just don't want to straighten my fringe and like my heat style my hair anymore, so that's why I'm like optioning for the wig. So yeah, I will get straight into the unboxing now. So it's always such a struggle with my nails, but as soon as you open the box you get this adorable little artwork from her website, and it has so care instructions on the back just telling you how you can wash the wigs, and because it's human hair it's okay to heat style it and stuff like that. But yeah, pretty much just that sort of info and like the link to her website. If you hashtag Lizzis Lox, then she can see all of your adorable photos like in regrams and stuff on Instagram, and she can like reblog you and be like, oh so cute. But her her Instagram page is so aesthetic and just magical, like mermaid unicorn vibes all around. I love it so much. But yeah, so the hair comes, like, she has it packaged in a little bag. Oh, and there's a little wig cap here, and that's good. It's a blonde one. Those ones are actually quite hard to come by. Most of them are like the black netted ones that you get with like cheap cosplay wigs and stuff. But yeah, that's good to have, because this is gonna be because it's a gray wig, so it's gonna be like sort of like a nude like skin color. I'm so excited. So far the gray looks exactly how I imagined. Yeah, it's such a nice like sterling silver. That's beautiful. Love it. So what she's done like some turquoise, blue, purple, and pink like streaks through it. I told her that when I messaged her before, she sent me a couple photos, and I said that the turquoise was a bit like green and a little bit dark, but there's only like a little strip of it in the back. But I know that with blue and green colors that they are the first to fade, so I think it's gonna fade out to like quite a beautiful like mint anyways. But yeah, it's so pretty. And yeah, you can part it anyway in the front, so I'm really excited to try it on. There's just this like little padding on the inside, so that's gonna keep it from getting squished. But yeah, I'm gonna go put my hair up and cut the lace off of the front of this, because this is a lace front wig. And then I'll see how I go with that one and let you guys know. But oh my gosh, it's so soft and silky. I love it. I'm really excited. And if anything, I think I might actually add a few more like purple and blue extensions just in the bottom, because I think it's gonna look really cute, and because it's like it's also Lizzis Lox hair, it's gonna be sort of like same, you know? It's gonna blend really nice. So yeah, I will be back. Okay, so here's the tea. Like, I'm like halfway through cutting the lace off the front of this, and I realized that this actually has lace in the back as well. So like, I'm halfway finished. I just need to trim this little bit here. But if you have a look, like that's, the sides are still open, so like around where the ears are, your ears are gonna come through. But yeah, that's like, can you see the lace? Am I showing it well enough? And there's these two little straps at the back here. I've never actually had, even the synthetic wigs I've worn, I've owned probably over 30 wigs, but I've never actually had one that's had lace in the back. So I think that's gonna be good if I am like gluing down the edges, which I haven't actually done on myself before. But if you know, I'm a makeup artist and a wig stylist, so I do have experience doing that with clients. But yeah, I'm gonna finish cutting this wig off. I just thought I needed to cut the wig off. I'm gonna finish cutting this lace off, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so I've got my wig cap and everything fitted, looking like a proper egghead, you know, that's a look. So I've got my mirror here, so I'm just going to, moment of truth, try this on. So the wig has two clips in the front on the sides, and there's another one in the middle, which is right behind the lace. So if you can see, this is the front of the lace, and then you've got your 2 clips on each side, and then this one in the middle, and then just the adjustable straps in the back. So I think this is like a middle part, so I might have to fiddle around with it a bit. But the wig cap is actually quite big. I'm actually quite tall, and I have a lot of issues finding wigs that fit my head, but this one is actually quite big. It fits my big ass head because I'm a big ass human. But yeah, that's awesome. Wow. So yeah, I think I'm gonna fiddle around with the fringe because I do want to cut a fringe into it and see how that goes. Oh. But yeah, I'll save it up for you guys so you can see the length and what it looks like in the back. And I'm probably gonna do a bit of makeup like on the roots so you can see. So much, it's like really close to my natural hair color, so I think people are just gonna think that I'm wearing extensions because I've always worn hair extensions, so it's gonna be quite convincing and realistic. But yeah, I'm really excited to fiddle around with it and see how we go. So I'm actually headed to work at the moment, so I think I'm gonna tie it up and maybe do a few like loose curls in the back. So I will be back. So I'm getting ready to head to work. So I've done left a couple pieces out at the front, but all of the hair is actually one length, and I think I want to trim it around the front and maybe do like a bit of a side fringe just to make it look more realistic and have like a few layers to it. But yeah, so far I'm like really satisfied with the product and I'm happy with the color, and I'll show you the quick little ponytail I've done. But yeah, because I don't have a lot of time, I'm headed to work in the next like 20 minutes, so I think I'm just going to when I get home, I'm going to fiddle around with it a bit more. I might take my time trimming it a little bit and see how it goes. I will see you then. Hey guys, I'm back. So sorry about the light. It's actually nighttime. I just got home from work. I didn't get a chance to film it all last night when I got home from work, so you'll notice my like makeup and hair is a bit different. But so I've cut these little pieces in the front because all over the wig was actually one length, so this hair was actually about to like here, so it was 24 inches, and just for my requirement for work, you can't really have any hair longer than your shoulders or you have to keep it tied up. So I know I'm breaking the barrier. This is a bit longer, but it still looks like a nice fringe. And if you can see, I've done a bit of concealer here. You can see at the roots, and then around the concealer, like on the outside edge, I put a bit of like gray eyeshadow just to make it look a bit natural, and I think it's really pretty. So I'll show you how I curled the back. I just have it pulled into a low ponytail at the moment. You can see. I hope you can see that. Okay, I'll take it down for you. But yeah, I've had a long day at work today. I'm just so exhausted. You can probably tell I'm panting like I'm a bit out of breath. So I've been at work for 8 hours and these curls have still held quite well. I used the Bellamy curling wand. I think it wasn't the smallest one. The smallest one is like an 18-inch, but the one I used was like the second to smallest. So it was like, it's like about this, like, oh my gosh, so exhausted. Getting ready to have dinner, and then I'm gonna rip these eyelashes off. You can probably see they're popping up in the corners already, but hey, it's a look. But yeah, overall, I 1000% recommend Lizzis Lox. I've never felt more beautiful and more glamorous wearing hair in my entire life. I've gotten so many compliments at work today, like you can't even believe. Not even any of my colleagues who work in the beauty industry could like clock my wig. Not one person. Like I had to come out and tell everyone that it was a wig. They didn't believe me, because what I was saying to them, I was like, oh yeah, my hair's not going to be short for long, because my hair's actually, like you saw before, it's like in a really crop bob, and I have my really blunt straight cross bangs. But yeah, they thought I just got hair extensions, because that's what I was saying. They knew that I wore hair extensions for some time, and I was just like, yeah, I'm gonna get some new extensions. So oh god, I have this little beauty blender sticker on me. We were promoting the new Bounce foundation today. That's my shade, 1.40. So if anyone is like white as me, you know what color to use. It's quite yellow because I have quite pink in my cheeks, so I want to like counteract that, so I get a yellow one. But I'll just turn around for you guys so you can see the hair. I literally cannot recommend it enough. And like, I don't know why, this is the only wig I've ever worn and I haven't gotten a headache or anything. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. I love it. I kind of want to get another one in the different color set. Maybe something darker, like a really bold color like blue or purple or something. Like bright neon. But yeah. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. And definitely if you're looking to get a real hair wig or even hair extensions, I 1000% recommend Lizzis Lox. Her quality of extensions is so great and quite affordable if you're like starting out getting into like human hair extensions and human hair wigs, because this is my very first human hair wig and I absolutely love it. So pretty. Yeah. I feel like a mermaid. Woo-hoo. And that's all. Thanks for watching.